firearm dey very legal, so almost everybody for here dey carry gun dey waka. Now e get reason why I carry una come in. See how they shit down, I see that they shit pepper. All these ones now are different machines. Come see the pistol side. Also are different pistol. Now, why am I showing you this? All this insecurity what they face for Nigeria, imagine say gun dey legal. The insecurity will don't drop by 10%. All these ones say they attack people of Benue. See video for Benue recently, they run come from their town because of herdsmen. And why are the people running? Because herdsmen get gone, then they don't get gone. Herdsmen go just enter farm, just buy people. Edo State they suffer, Enugu State they suffer, Benue they suffer, Bayelsa they suffer, Ondo they suffer. Bro, almost all the states, herdsmen issue, buy people because of cow, all these things because they get gone. But those states tomorrow they still suffer insecurity. Imagine say they get gone. As I did here, honestly, my wish, I just wish I could just buy like 10. That's my wish. I wish I could buy like 10. Carry on, just go different community, carry go Benue, give 10 to their leaders. Go like this one, give like 10 for all this place. Then tell them, say, face this herdsmen. I swear to God, herdsmen will run. Insecurity will reduce.